I'm back, bitches. Welcome to LaMeel Magic. I am Priestess LaMeel, and I teach on magic, manifesting, spirituality, and high vibe living. And you are watching day 17 of our 20 days to igniting your intuition. And today's training video is going to sound a little bit odd, but it's all about letting go of the positive. So, why would you want to let go of the positive? Because the idea is that you want to learn how to detach from the outcome, right? Magic, manifesting, detach. You do what you do, and then you sit back and let it do what it does, right? So you do your part, universe does its part, you get what the fuck you want. And if you are attached to even the positive outcomes, if you're attached to too much to how this is going to end, then you influence or hold back sometimes that energy that allows it to materialize. So, I was supposed to already have an item. We're gonna go with this because it's right here. Okay, so it's the cap to my water bottle. Right, so you're gonna want, if you have an eraser, like a really big eraser, like that would probably work. I don't know that I would like that, but we thought that might be symbolically correct. Fuck that. Get an object that is not breakable, okay? And what you're gonna do is this ritual is teaching you to let go of the outcome. Okay, so I'm gonna sit back here. Oh, here we are. So in my hand, it's that item. So now I want to think of, I want to manifest $15,000 this weekend, right? So how wonderful would that be? That would be fucking amazing. And you're thinking of all of the amazing things surrounding that idea, and then you let it go. Now look, I no longer have it, and I'm okay, right? Now, I want to manifest a new car. That would be amazing, and it would be beautiful, and it would smell good. I love the new car smell, kind of, sort of, because of what it symbolizes, but, yeah, I'd be sitting pretty. But guess what? If it doesn't come, I'm okay with that too, right? And then you pick it back up. And I want to manifest a new house. And I wanted to have, I don't know, 8 bedrooms. And I want 6 bathrooms. And I need about 9,000 square feet. Blah, 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 blah. Wouldn't that be fucking amazing? But guess what? If it doesn't show, if it doesn't come, I'm fucking okay. I'm okay if I'm in 9,000 square feet or if I'm in 2,000 square feet. Some of you are in 1,200 square feet and you're okay. And it's all right. Everything's good because I'm going to be good either way. And the more detachment that you have from the outcome of this positive event, the faster it will manifest for you, right? So this is about intuitively just detaching, and it's a practice that I want you to practice today on all of the positive things and all of the things that you're manifesting and all of the things that you want. Drop it, let it go, and recognize that you are okay without it. That is our practice for today. So I hope you enjoy it. Even just doing this in this moment, I had some amazing energy shifts. Okay, so if you're having energy shifts too, let me know. I want to hear about it. Leave your comments, suggestions, epiphanies down below. I love reading your comments. I love you guys. If you have been enjoying this series, please, by all means, buy me a cup of coffee. I love that energy exchange. You can always join Coffee Chat, and that is where I talk more personally about my personal relationship, my, life as a mother of 8, grandmother of soon to be 3, and how my manifesting and magic plays into my personal life with my family. And that you can find down below with the Buy Me a Coffee link. Also, if you are a kick-ass woman looking to grow and expand, please, by all means, join us in the Sacred Goddess Circle. We'd love to have you. We love women. We love to celebrate women. We love to help support women in their growth and expansion and ascension. So see you there. Love you guys. And I'll be back tomorrow for day 18.